passive ye kone say no ma me ensay ma 15 minutes na boss kakra
ma mencha na mencha tifo na pay ma bedu oforuko constituency da mencha CPP for mo especially mo chairman kasi mo organize dollar man me chairman na pay minia first time I'm sharing and I mean polianda so
me pete
no shall every they see or Lebanon and Ranajo say kotake biza yewo I think say ya dibi ose hwehwem menim de amo epic from that end amo strike because we just stand by obi on identifiable areas are what target or strike and then so tia America Iran for attack Aramco oil or Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia say we in himself more attack France American installations in Saudi Arabia, but Aramco belongs to Saudi Arabia. And then I'm attack. Some of the attacks, I say, shudder just to be part of the collateral damage I'm creating. And I hope and pray Ghana will investigate very well and then find out say didn't attack because I'm free. Say I can list of their enemies are Yanka also saw more than some I didn't NCOB. But you see, what is happening in Iraq? Iran, sorry, it was here. Because I travel longer. There is effect, a better as of mine. And they also so a dajun who knows a quaben should be faswa to come to Richard. Maybe the America can say a mumpire because we share the rival of America and Iran in Nasam. Now I say. Maminu na babetum because I share the history I shall say since 1951 Mohammed Mossadegh kase omoya di ban for nationalization of Iran oil. That was 1951. I'm consider 1872 concession be amoya at the time I discover oil and because this time around I also omoya oil. America succeeded by influencing Shah Mohammed so okay raise Pahlavi Fono Pahlavi Fono say I'm overthrow Mohammed Mossadegh. I'm succeeded. I'm unifilo. Now whilst they are there, Mama Iran was very free country to enjoy their obia pay. Till 1979.
Right.
And a friend say Ayatollah Ruhollah Khomeini say Omababeku. Then they took over. A new constitution in 81, what do you call it, Islamic Republic of Iran, and that is why America who say no. Baby, I'm in the media. I say, I am and if we share the history of Iran, even after the overthrow of a friend say Shah Mohammed and in the family, no, I had to learn and Chebia and also engage in war with a friend say Saddam Hussein. And after Saddam Hussein, no, America say, could I joke a crime to copy a name, but sanctions after sanction because America discover say, or me a friend nuclear weapon. Every time be a sanction for sanction.
Everything.
Iran is also. Oh, some proxy we play. They are using Houthis in Yemen as their proxy.
Yeah.
They are using Hezbollah for in Lebanon as their proxy. To some larger extent, because we use Hamas for in Palestine as their proxy. So America will say, also as they are becoming a threat to the Middle East. So American feel say, any strong nation be rising in the Middle East, against Israel are their enemies. If not for that fact, moon in the America because of Obi possessing nuclear weapon, you can't attack him. So okay, about 4 months ago, 3 months. What time Israel Palestine talk a heated panel. Americans discharge one of their worst weapon, a friend the B2, that B2 jet. Eko attack Iran. Mama so, I decimate all this nuclear
facility.
And to be we say safe. Just less than 4 months. We say David. I didn't know no. Mun sama ni ma discover said no mo sako. It's a mood severe we are say. And that's what is the guarantee say we are. You better discover say ampa by this meeting a nuclear weapon. So you can see clearly say and shada in here because of ABI nuclear weapon there are certain motive behind. Maybe say it's about say capture that oil area. I'm also seeing do it with Venezuela. I'm also Maduro I breached the contact between France ExxonMobil and Venezuela. In the international court, almost into Musika over $1 billion. But there was a Muntia. I'm command to Mampia Chenuamuya. I feel also the DEA now. I'm established to fight the drugs in France, Venezuela no Maduro apamo and Maduro have allowed say among for use drugs funny border e ba American ti amako kwache no de na ba America in fact I'm say ni election kwa no or use drugs money say na mudi no real Ghana bi now America is controlling the Venezuelan oil likewise they want to also go into Middle East and take charge of say Iran because as for Iraq Saudi Arabia they are under control Bahrain Qatar United Arab Emirates and stuff. Under control.
But what you Trump also some of the concerns are already say Iran. The supreme leader through the hands. Many women and children near day after just wekum nipa bebre. Almo to tally about also over 35,000 or more count to aba. Eti on one end no ni jumedi enti omuni say onye nipa papa or ye evil. He needs to be, in a regime that's almost ending.
How can they do that? A man a mutimuno. There's a constitution in Iran, no mine.
Okay. A
man a mutimuno. A man a said they have to do these two. Also, more supreme leader, the Human leader, and a more president. Is a president there, Masoud Kashmir.
Sure.
Now, a more principle, they say they are enforcing the Sharia, and America feels say. Against the right of people and stuff, but they don't have the evidence of say killing. Killers are saying and say, I'm for sorry. Demonstration say they don't believe in the government and economic hardship. Okay, and I say, I'm 3 months ago, protest here, and I
some women were arrested.
I'm also say, Crophobia Mucho, share Iranians. You say Iranian from Mossad. Mossad Arabic Jews.
Okay.
They are in Iran, they are in Iraq, they are in Saudi Arabia, somehow.
Israel descent.
Yeah, Israel descent.
Okay.
And these are people America, Arab world, see them as spies for Israel.
Okay.
Now say the killing of Al-Hassan Hania, the killing of Hassan Nasrallah. Okay. It's a link with start Mossad phone. In fact, the attack at Aramco and America, Saudi Arabia, don't believe say it came from Mossad phone. So these are the people. I'm sorry, they are about 2% in Iran.
Okay.
And then I'm say, you see, so okay, I'm moving from Kochi. So okay, what happened with Saddam after American call? A concern of Muchinya among a dear friend, a nuclear weapon. And because we are so nuclear weapon, Ukraine. Will be on name so Moko Kruna, now they move out another room, and it's on Bokomasia, maybe I'll tell their contamal. I'm going to know their Koibia, voter region. John Bayan, Ambagasa, even if say, and Ukra and Nuha, Ambaso Mukase, Saddam or charges against humanities, or Kukuma Mumfo or Jela Mumfo necessary, so they are going to do a regime change. All they want was to break down Saddam. And the society in doing so, after America left Iraq, up to now, Iraq to say. One of us a crewman penal. Mokoye hanging one day, hanging Ukuna. I copy the Shia Sunni Toka Iraq adequate. The same thing Mokoye with Saddam, France, Papa say, Gaddafi. So, while abusing human rights, crewman complaining up to now. France, Libya, peaceful. In fact, now Aisha Gaddafi, the Baba could be actual letter. The people of Iran, so we are careful. Because I don't know how they see on the okay, Afghanistan.
Right.
I'm so Al Qaeda and Taliban forces, my take over the country. My coup, and Jimuno, Abuzu, my Muslim go school, Yampene. I'm by MBA, hijack crew for over 8 years. So standard Amuku, France, very famous terrorists here. Amukunu, and we never see. They left Afghanistan area, to the same Al Qaeda and Taliban forces. Do kind of Magadushu. Also, the course of Papa is or the sample. If this Magadushu double, a more call, a more penny, my young money, I'm sorry, course Somali, we are take it. In Tokagidi 2 days, I'm a free up to Somalia and peaceful. So what we are saying is that it's not about Obi Kumobi, Omako 35,000. So who succeeded in doing this? Otopol government, you know. Now, when Timinko Kromunko Trasi, and control no free Kroma, what do you think will happen? We have a Kroma, the 62% of patients in our from Faris Forum. These people, the majority in the country, they believe in the leadership of the Khomeini supreme leader. The minority, the Azaris and the Kurdish and the Mossad and stuff. Now, what they say, They even accused America arm the Kurds in France, Iran. If Uko leader, when they do accept him, what do you think will happen? How do you expect the minority be the majority? It's not going to be possible. So some of you say 35,000 Nipa Unti. Amuko a friend said the leader Nafido. Do you know the millions who will die after that?
Mm-hmm.
Because the moment I'm break your mind pay. Now I'm going to be here because I'm more track record say Amako Libya, Amako a friend say Mogadishu Farah did and Binam Pesam can Omoko Mogadishu against Farah did okay mess up. Omoko friends Afghanistan against Al Qaeda and Taliban, Osama bin Laden, Aye Omoko. So all these places Omoko in Iraq against Saddam, Aye, all these countries are living in a country with problems. So if the fact is about 35,000, and no, I mean, some much is OT or no trap. So the America opens up Amawi, I can't say Kurman budget to say I'm going to build a regime change, and it's not going to work because Nepal win if you on no majority I'm open. So maybe they make and say maybe a bomb by say to can be in time because say giant Tokana Mano continue like this. What's going to happen is in the long run it's going to affect us as a country. You know that debate and some Mukacham say continue fuel number of $83 per barrel.
Yeah, rise it.
Yes, they will buy 6 weeks there. The question is that by the time 6 weeks besano, no takona jaya na. Say jaya, how much will be a fuel at that time?
Right.
So if a ton of fuel at $41, now do $83, that means we are losing. Yeah, I shall say lose times 2. What do you say? It means we have to buy times 2 of the one I sell at $41. So if by the time I get the now I could be, God forbid, I could do $150. It means Ghana government has to do times 3.
Yeah.
The consequential effect is one, we need to spend more dollars to get the oil, and to take off more dollars, and it will affect the dollar injection again in the Bank of Ghana. It might stabilize the city. So while the price of your friends say fuel air cost no, one should say a city bed a bit depreciating. And America the price of cocoa has dropped to 2,000. Why? Because the manufacturers of cocoa say one of their customers are Middle East, as we know. So like some for enter chocolate output products will be lower, so they are not going for it. So the Americans say we are bomb price and Tokanaman and travel far. But say about Boise and Conan, say, you know, kind of crunch America said, they are Muyano. My be, I don't know if the who would also be our. Yes, there could be say Khomeini and his leadership are bad. But without them, it will be worse in Iran, I can tell you.
Okay.
So, Recep Tayyip Erdogan was saying, on the day, when you say you couldn't catch the bio, on no more,
right.
But say, Jaima, Iran breaky, not those kidding, I'm himself. About affect Turkey because we come and support Turkey. Say, establish. We have a story to tell. Okay, say this profile from Tariq for more Libya, Niger, and Algeria. Since the fall of Libya, ammunitions, those enclaves, I peaceful be. Among formidable say they want to establish their own state. Among travel down, Bedu Burkina Faso, Bedu La Côte d'Ivoire. Among the Bible Kukumi Mayana say. They have gone far. I could do Sambisa forest. I could merge with the Boko Haram in Nigeria. Harm for. I could do Chad, but Chad army push your maba out. They trust Sudan because Sudan and South Sudan and peaceful. This almost a man's uncle. So say John to Munisi and they say, what are you going to do? Is we are creating rebels for our own in a country. One of the congressmen in America say, and yet the victory of America now is the aftermath of the victory. Trump invited what we call rebels and a terrorist for America.
Okay.
Because I know that these people will end up trying to revenge in other means. Either say, I'm going to target American solutions, baby, and Americans are more terrorists. Several things, who said, Al Zakawi and Coast, or Mucha America for 12 minutes, all some videos now. What happens in Syria and stuff. So, you best America. It's not about Yakunta Kwana, Nia to pull the relationship, and we are not Janaba America. No, I don't know Moko, Mukumo. Among several animal, all this country, Moko, up to date, that country near peaceful. Example, when they attack Saddam, Saddam was believed to be a Sunni bias guy. They'll end up giving the leadership of Iraq to Shia. I'm telling you, Prime Minister about 3 times. Apart from that, the killings are called between Shia and Sunni in Iraq. A chain to Kwanina Gulf War and Desert Storm Nina. So what we are saying is that look at what they did in Afghanistan. Who can say, "Oh, Pierre Fragas and I'm for the say, Mufan because you know my come for so best it's all about your and then the M1. But now to the Papaya China Kutumi.
A forest Santano.
And you see me, my Canada, I be platform is so. Now I'm on for intimacy, and I want to side with a former minister of national security, the papa of free around a juice area.
Kanapa. Okay.
Say your judgment into the be agency and so. Omuma nema
so we do watch him say ejina boa crowd
obi akoye campaign say first cabra na mamuska wajija mun first bebre e do 15 years within 8 months ya reduce 15 years no to 1 year when you go na 2 months e na filo obi come de no wachi say we baba crowd chesi fi wuro bebre na wura for that reserve wachi mo about 8 9 10 be kuma mo motamu na within 2 days judge in 3 years. Your case of $300 million, $500 million, $600 million, Galam say, if you want to have 10 years, you have a monopoly post.
Say, or mining person.
My question is interest, but money at the Akranteji. Say, I come back to go them 3 years. I'm not saying the law shouldn't be enforced.
Yeah.
But we should be, look, they may make say, you can look at our law. So, they be, as I adopt to British law, they debate you. Because I be a lawyer, but I believe, say, Ghana, say, Obia could be a banchy. Maybe not go to 5 years. Time I'm rough on the law, no, say, Bonu will be a banchy. And we really be your banchy, so very harshly. We are not working to. And so, yes, there be nice for the same law and have a system. Look, you were brought up in the olden days, you know. Say, Sabi, come to our Bushman. Now, I can't even welcome. That's how we brought up to date. You crowd, people go to hunting.
Will be crowd board, they be a common one to be up to now, people are doing hunting in this country. So, for us, look at say, common will be quiet. Every match transfer, papa, baby, I'll call and look at so call. I should 1 month. Now, publish but 3 years. So, will be now. Have you considered what happened to his family? Do you know what is going to happen to his family? Say because I go to Kranjenti, we don't go to 3 years. Now money in survival. Look, sometimes we should be a bit considerate. Say a nipa who here. It is only in Ghana they want someone for time in prison. Now they are even called correctional centers abroad. Now say also in terms of somebody police give us say school uniform nobody prince of upper. And say good omo here with UNJ. Yeah. You say UNJ I'm say MP for Bayano. One day 149. Sure. So they are collaborating with here. And I think it's a very good initiative. But so people come quarantine na aprawanti. We go them 3 years. Now program last span say. Aprawanti about 3 years here. The whole lifespan say. It is very unfair. And then when my man justify that, yes, we agree. And I like the question you ask. Conform me to or forest, why penalty or you not to go Manda? So we only how many excavated in bush only a proud to do our farm so. Nin Kranta from saying, now no you crab fee, Udania, Concrofu fee, or come at a person, excavated the money, a person, one a proud from so come. Yen two man, Brofu, then did the Muya, and say we are not a story. Now, because of no bianti. Yeah. Obi aminti on go 3 years. Yango bo no mabona say bia say ebe ko do president ni mu so be intervene na ye de na ba. Mami finally on Ghana. Yeah. I think say sister years. Enra what ne o ma ati nyina na say.
Oh, enra na most it will be a debate hot pandi. Man shall and take a say me accept kakra through Joy News kakra na mti. But you see me what I'm looking at they say me feel say Ghana go pa shira pa.
69 years.
69 years of peace. 69 years of good leadership from the one to the current government. I think so. Would you consider Ghana? Or Ghana compare other countries? Within the 69 years, they say, "Yakwakoya maybe war be Ntokobi this whatever." Say tribe be against the tribe. The only time I hear what happened between the northern part in the Rollins time 1996 and 7 or thereabout, and experience some kind of things. We live very peaceful, but kakra. Ghana for super ISIS.
Right.
Our patriotism is fading out because I don't know say, oh sure obi che Kwame Nkrumah. Our independence by and maybe in the few when you bit magic.
Is it the never honum pokra say obi the
crowd. And I will say yeah from was on the property there in the party there. But the party decided to let it go. Yeah. Me there no be covered crop do say how it help agenda. Sure. And be in the film say crop do say fee say aye. And minister, and CEO, and MP, deputy CEO, coordinators who move your journey. Who compare with salary pan in the fear journey. And in Ghana, if you make an election, no be a motorbike cost 20,000, 30,000 for 1 vote. You call election now, nipa by 200,000, no be almost 700 Ghana cedis. Who multiply 140 something million Ghana cedis 1 day. 140 million Ghanaians will be there, in Ghana. And the Ghana is changing. In fact, a deeper enter in Ghana forces say we are becoming frosters or memoir. She not pay me be Michelle could be and I began to say, hey, Minister Crown and this I'm not watching. Yeah, Mumba to watch him some other day. Was he QNet for now? And this I'm Colangora free stream near other peripheries of Ghana, Kurasukas, Obiti Kruma. No, I don't know communicate this. I don't know about now. Mucho or Mudu Musiki now. We are now. I'm afraid on Colorado Gobea will be shocked. What they are going through. And our security, and there's a chicken unit for near Jamu, or the chicken unit for near Jamu. As a system, engage my papa. And it's very bad for us as a baby. Or my bagana baby 69 years. I did time you need professors, you need doctors in a young year, and now with professors, engineers, or whatever. I feel no Kuruma. Finally, I believe the system in there are good, but for one thing, and they say institutions, when it comes to documentations, we are very, very bad, very, very poor.
You keep your records.
And the Praga, no Praga no more.
Yeah,
I got 25% of foreigners. I know from Niger and Nigeria and Mali.
Omo muchina na.
Omo muchi Praga wounds. It's a chroma fire babies or more idea from delivery. We don't have their data or be information. They want to always say delivery or philosophy. One day to face if you remember not the two as usual.
Yeah.
It's a Kuma BBS or be a diope. Or be initiated, but no one here diope. No proper record. If I move from Praga, or take FM.
Right.
Of a bra alaba, only Roxy. Maybe I wouldn't Roxy, so I'll go for
it. First, mammy.
What's only Roxy? I was asking myself, I took myself, would or take FM Roxy. And I said, I kind of was one of Ghana.
On your Ghana.
And when we started speaking outside, I was kind of purely Nigeria. So I'm saying, say, if we do all this up to now, Ghana, it shouldn't be proper record of ourselves.
But I see you answer near this uncle will be free because if you walk around Ghana card, I just
and let me just say, and
more politicians in Mokaho about 20 moment your mind infiltrations be brain any pet free baby be rooms.
Now, tell my God is the issue about say the only document that just say we're Ghana and your birth set. Yeah, what I'm saying because what we said that we can see what is also be that offering him free high and one natural why you got any. That cannot be done. World me background free more queen in Burkina Faso. That's where my grandfather everybody. Your land or your farm if I go to the person here Burkina Faso, I have to start there. From fee near endorse me. Now more assemblyman or endorse so near Kunimsa. So by the time I got to Burkina Faso, I pass from route to fee and Kazakasa community. But the Kuma who comment here was what is also with the Ajwa. That is all. Your church, or but you got a birth set. The next time you move to passport, I also feel it was some few quite a beho. A deal will be observed or symmetry near church and one passport.
Abdul.
So you should be serious.
All right.
With all this and the outside documentations, I'm telling you, we are very, very bad at it.
Meda CP Abdul now training.